Alright, let's go ahead and find a nice spot on our robots. I got W400 and she got the LG. Welcome, my name's Nathan and this is Caitlin, my daughter, and we do Robot Masters. Today in this video, we're going to look at the keep out zone of the Roomba series. I got the Braava M6 up top, the Roomba S9, and the Roomba i7. All three have the 3.0.11 update, which allows you to do a keep out zone, or to keep out of an area. You don't have to use the little lighthouse that these robots come with. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. In this video, we would actually have all three robots vacuums run at the exact same time. So it's going to be a very unique video. Alright, you guys ready? You ready? Let's go! Here you go, let's bounce on the robots. Breath one. It's like hoppy hop. Alright. Okay, so you're supposed to go around you. So what do you guys think? You like this keep out zone? It didn't touch my daughter. All three robots were able to stay away from this area. And she's having fun playing with her Barbie and reading a book. If you like this type of video, please smash the like button. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Nathan. This is Robot Masters. I do a lot of crazy testing like this. Alright, we're almost done. Alright, hopefully these are almost done. We're going to finish out with the perimeter sweep on all three of the robots here. We're almost done here. And the robot's going to try and go around here and continue the perimeter sweep. So, when they go up with the self-emptying bin, it sounds like a regular upright vacuum. So luckily they don't go on for too long, for about maybe 15-20 seconds, so they won't damage your ears. But that's just something to consider with these self-emptying dustbins. Alright, so you guys have a great rest of your day, and thank you, Caitlin, for helping me out with this awesome keep out zone for all 3 of my robots, and you're running 3.0.11. That's the firmware update. Okay, see you guys next time.